Have you ever stopped to think that artificial intelligence can make surprising mistakes? While these technologies revolutionize the way we live and work, alarming cases reveal flaws that can have serious consequences. In this video, we'll explore the fascinating history of AI, its advances, but also its stunning failures. Get ready to discover how, despite all its power, AI is still susceptible to errors that can impact our lives in unexpected ways. Stay with us and learn all about the most surprising cases where AI failed. The history of artificial intelligence, AI, dates back to the 1950s, when early thinkers began to imagine machines that could simulate human intelligence. Alan Turing, a British mathematician, was one of the pioneers in this field. In 1950, he proposed the famous Turing test, a method to assess whether a machine is capable of exhibiting intelligent behavior equivalent to that of a human being. The following years saw the development of rudimentary programs that could play chess and solve simple mathematical problems, but true advancement would be slow, in part due to limited computing power. In the 1980s and 1990s, AI research went through ups and downs, a period called the AI winter, where enthusiasm waned and funding was reduced. However, with the advancement of technology and the increase in computational capacity, AI has resurfaced, giving life to a new era. Today, AI is not just a futuristic idea, but a reality present in our daily lives, present in virtual assistants, speech and image recognition, and in various applications ranging from medicine to agriculture. The transformation brought by AI in our lives is impressive and multifaceted. Since the beginning of the 21st century, AI has begun to infiltrate various areas, facilitating processes and revolutionizing the way we work and interact. For example, in the customer service industry, AI-powered chatbots are making service more efficient by offering quick, personalized responses to a variety of questions. In medicine, AI algorithms are helping to detect diseases early, analyzing imaging exams with an accuracy that often surpasses that of doctors. Furthermore, AI has been instrumental in automating repetitive tasks, freeing humans for activities that require creativity and complex reasoning. In the financial sector, machine learning algorithms are used to detect fraud and optimize investments. As technology advances, AI is becoming an integral part of society, offering new opportunities and creative solutions to contemporary challenges, but also raising ethical and privacy concerns that we need to address. The main technologies that support artificial intelligence are diverse and have evolved over the years. Among them, machine learning and deep learning are the most notable. Machine learning refers to algorithms that allow machines to learn from data, identifying patterns without being explicitly programmed. Deep learning, which is a subcategory of machine learning, involves artificial neural networks inspired by the structure of the human brain, allowing complex analysis of data, such as images and natural language. Another fundamental technology is natural language processing, NLP, which allows machines to understand and interact with human language more effectively. Furthermore, robotics is a significant application of AI, where machines gain autonomous abilities to perform tasks in varied environments. Innovations in this area are happening rapidly, enabling more and more interactions between humans and machines, but also requiring careful debate about the implications of their mass adoption. The expectations surrounding artificial intelligence are many, and although the achievements so far are impressive, the reality can be quite complex. On the one hand, AI promises to improve efficiency, productivity, and quality of life, generating creative and practical solutions to challenging problems. However, there are significant limitations. AI does not yet have the ability to understand emotional context like humans, which can lead to misunderstandings in more subtle interactions. Furthermore, over-reliance on AI systems can present risks such as the dehumanization of customer service and the loss of jobs in industries that are being automated. Other concerns include data security and the possibility of algorithmic discrimination, where automated decisions can perpetuate existing biases in society. Therefore, while it is easy to get carried away by the promises of AI, it is crucial to maintain a critical and balanced outlook, ensuring that its implementation is responsible and benefits all of society. In recent years, the use of facial recognition systems has become a reality in several areas, from public security to interaction on social networks. However, these systems have presented worrying errors. A notable example occurred in 2019, when a study revealed that a facial recognition system used by security forces in the United States misidentified 28% of black women. This data raises serious questions about the effectiveness and ethics of using this technology. Algorithms are trained with a limited set of data, and often this data does not adequately represent the diversity of the population. Thus, the risk of prejudice and misidentification increases. In busy places, such as airports and public events, these systems can cause embarrassment and even injustice. Imagine a person being mistaken for a criminal just because of a software error. Therefore, it is essential that AI developers and users do a thorough job of reviewing and adapting these systems, ensuring that they are fair and accurate before implementing them in critical situations. Artificial intelligence has brought significant advances in the field of medicine, promising faster and more accurate diagnoses. However, recent history is full of cases where AI failed to diagnose, resulting in alarming consequences. A notorious case occurred in 2020 when an AI algorithm was used to detect breast cancer in mammograms. Although the system was considered one of the most advanced, it had a 50% failure rate in cancer diagnoses. In some situations, AI was unable to identify tumors that were later detected by human doctors. This failure sparked a heated discussion about the trustworthiness of AI systems in medical contexts. This situation highlights not only technological limits, but also the need for human supervision. Collaboration between healthcare professionals and AI systems must be a working model, where technology acts as an auxiliary tool and never as a substitute. Therefore, understanding these limitations is essential to ensure that innovations in medicine actually benefit patients, without compromising their safety. One of the most impactful examples of the inappropriate use of AI occurred in relation to the intelligence system used by a country's national treasury. This system, which was designed to predict tax fraud and optimize tax collection, ended up generating an alarming number of errors. In 2018, a report revealed that a significant number of taxpayers were mislabeled as suspected fraudsters, resulting in undue investigation and penalties. This error was due to an algorithm that was based on incomplete data and did not adequately consider the specific context of each case. The result was a scandal that led to protests and a crisis of confidence in public management. This episode highlighted the importance of rigorously auditing AI systems and ensuring that automated decisions do not affect people's lives without prior human scrutiny. When it comes to public resources, it is vital that artificial intelligence is applied with caution, respecting ethics and citizens' rights. The lesson is that transparency and accountability in the use of AI are essential, especially in government areas. In industry, the implementation of artificial intelligence has brought efficiencies to production processes, but not everything always goes as expected. Toyota, an automotive giant, faced serious problems on its assembly line due to AI software that helped program robots. In 2021, an algorithm failure led to an unexpected halt in production, causing significant delays and considerable financial losses. The situation arose when the AI began to schedule operations inappropriately, resulting in vehicles being assembled incorrectly and requiring rework. This error generated a domino effect, compromising not only production, but also consumer confidence in the company's products. Toyota's experience illustrates that while AI can bring improvements, human management and oversight remain essential. The industry must embrace innovation responsibly, balancing automation with the presence of humans who can respond quickly to errors and unforeseen events. A contingency plan and continuous team training are essential to minimize the impact of technological failures on industrial operations. Artificial intelligence, although impressive, is not infallible. Despite its advances, AI can make mistakes, and understanding why is crucial. One of the main reasons is that AI is based on patterns learned from data. If the data provided contains incorrect, incomplete, or biased information, the results generated by AI may also be erroneous. For example, if an algorithm is trained on data that has bias, it can perpetuate and even intensify these biases when making decisions. Additionally, AI may fail to understand the context and nuances of human communication. An AI system may interpret a sentence in a different way than intended or not capture the emotional tone behind a message. This can result in inappropriate or even offensive responses, damaging the interaction. It is important to highlight that the complexity of the real world, with its nuances, ambiguities, and emotions, is a challenge that AI still struggles to fully understand. So while we can trust AI to optimize many tasks, we need to remain vigilant about its limitations and the errors that can arise. The quality of the data used to train artificial intelligence systems is fundamental to their performance. When this data is out of date, unbalanced, or contains errors, the results produced by AI can be inaccurate. For example, in an application of AI to diagnose diseases, if the training data does not adequately cover all age or demographic groups, the algorithm may fail to detect a health condition in specific groups, resulting in misdiagnosis. Furthermore, the amount of data is also important. AI systems need to be fed a significant amount of information to learn effectively. A lack of diverse and representative data can limit AI's ability to generalize what it has learned, leading to hasty decisions. Another factor to consider is the biases that may arise in data selection. If the data is predominantly from one group or perspective, the AI may end up adopting those views, undermining the objectivity expected from an automated process. Thus, data integrity and diversity are critical elements for the effectiveness and fairness of artificial intelligence. For an AI to function correctly, it must be well trained on a variety of data that reflects the reality it intends to interpret. This, however, does not always happen. When machines are exposed to a limited set of data, they can develop a biased or incomplete understanding of the world. A well-known example was the facial recognition algorithm that presented unbalanced thematic results, not correctly recognizing the faces of people of various races. These results not only highlight a technical flaw, but also raise ethical concerns about the application of AI in critical areas such as public safety and personnel recruitment. Furthermore, algorithms that generate recommendations, such as those used in online shopping and social networks, may end up reinforcing pre-existing habits or preferences, rather than expanding the options available to users. The lack of diversity in the data leads to an echo effect, where the algorithm becomes unable to present anything new or unbiased. Therefore, the challenge lies not only in accumulating data but in ensuring that it is comprehensive and representative, thus avoiding superficiality and errors in decisions made by AI. Human oversight remains a vital component in the use of artificial intelligence. Even with all the technology we have at our disposal, machines should not operate autonomously without human intervention in their actions. Human control is essential to correct errors, implement adjustments, and ensure that decisions made by AI are aligned with society's values and needs. For example, in the healthcare sector, even though AI can efficiently analyze radiological images, the final interpretation must always be performed by a doctor, who takes into account not only the image data, but also the patient's clinical history and personal characteristics. Another key aspect of human control is the ability to interpret and make decisions in ambiguous situations. While AI is based on data and standards, humans can employ empathy, contextual understanding, and ethical judgments in their decisions. Therefore, while AI can provide valuable support and insights, the ultimate responsibility must remain in the hands of people. This collaboration between humans and artificial intelligence can, in fact, maximize the benefits of technology, while avoiding errors and misunderstandings that can occur without supervision. The responsibility of technology companies in creating and implementing artificial intelligence, AI, systems is a crucial topic in the discussion about the ethics of this technology. As AI becomes increasingly complex and integrated into our daily lives, these companies need to take responsibility not only for the effectiveness of their solutions, but also for the ethical and social implications they can bring. This includes ensuring your AIs are developed and trained with data that reflects a diversity of perspectives and minimizes harmful biases. Companies like Google, Amazon, and Microsoft are increasingly being held accountable for how their algorithms operate, with society demanding greater accountability. Additionally, companies must take a proactive approach to the security of their systems, protecting users' personal data and ensuring it is not exploited or misused. For the technology to be truly beneficial, it requires critical reflection and a collective commitment on the part of corporations to create an environment where AI acts responsibly, respecting individual rights and promoting social justice. Algorithmic transparency is fundamental to establishing trust between users and the technologies we use. When we talk about AI, we often come across systems that make decisions based on complex algorithms, which are not easily understood by most people. This opacity can lead to distrust and uncertainty about how and why certain decisions are made. Therefore, it is imperative that technology companies adopt transparency practices that clearly explain how their algorithms work, what data is being used, and what the consequences of automated decisions are. This would not only help educate the public, but also allow for a more informed debate about the ethical implications of AI. Organizations and researchers are encouraging the standardization of algorithm audit processes, as well as the development of documentation that explains in accessible and non-technical language how AI operates in real-world situations. Keeping users informed about how the tools they use are working is essential not only for security, but also for promoting an environment where technology is seen as an ally rather than a threat. The role of public policy in regulating artificial intelligence is vital to ensure that this technology is implemented ethically and serves the well-being of society. Governments around the world are beginning to recognize the need to establish guidelines and standards that address the implementation of AI in a responsible manner. This includes protecting personal data, guaranteeing fundamental rights, and ensuring that decisions made by AI systems do not perpetuate existing discrimination. Furthermore, effective policies can encourage the development of technologies that take into account the social and emotional impact of interactions between humans and machines. Examples of this can be seen in legislation that is already being developed in the European Union, where AI regulation is under discussion to ensure that all citizens are treated fairly and equitably. Therefore, it is essential that citizens and technology experts collaborate to inform and shape public policies that are inclusive and beneficial for all, creating an environment for ethical and responsible AI development. Paths to an ethical future of artificial intelligence involve collaboration between diverse stakeholders: technology companies, governments, academics, and civil society. In this sense, it is essential to encourage dialogues that allow the sharing of experiences and knowledge. It is also necessary to promote education that prepares future generations to deal with the implications of AI, both in their careers and in everyday life. Ethics must be incorporated into computer science curricula and related areas, enabling tomorrow's professionals to develop solutions that prioritize social well-being. Another important direction is the creation of cross-sector partnerships, where technology can be tested in realistic environments, allowing ethical challenges to be addressed before AI is widely implemented. In this way, different social actors will be able to come together in pursuit of a common goal, ensuring that AI is used to promote equality, justice, and prosperity, rather than exacerbating social divisions or putting the privacy and security of individuals at risk. As technology advances, future trends in artificial intelligence, AI, promise to shape not only the way we provide services, but also how we interact with each other. Among the most notable trends is the advancement in personalization of services offered by AI. Future algorithms are expected to be even better able to learn from users' preferences, offering fully personalized experiences that meet individual needs. Another relevant trend is the evolution in the interaction between humans and machines, where more intuitive and natural interfaces, such as gesture and vocal language, can make communication more fluid. The integration of AI with emerging technologies such as the Internet of Things, IoT, should also result in a smarter environment, where connected devices share information and make decisions together. However, a close look at AI ethics will be crucial. The future is not just about efficiency and innovation, but also about ensuring that these technologies are used responsibly and respect human dignity and rights. Therefore, each step in the development of AI must be accompanied by a reflection on the social and ethical impacts, promoting a future where technology benefits everyone. One of the most intriguing aspects of AI is its ability to learn from its mistakes. This is strongly related to the concept of machine learning, where algorithms are fed data and adjust their operations based on the results presented. When an AI makes a mistake, it can be used as a learning point, adjusting the algorithms involved to improve the accuracy and effectiveness of the results. For example, in the medical diagnostics industry, an AI may initially classify a radiological image incorrectly. By analyzing this failure, developers can reevaluate and reprogram the system, increasing the amount of training data and refining its pattern recognition. This iteration process not only improves AI in its specific functions, but also highlights the importance of continuous feedback in the development and implementation of the technology. Thus, learning from mistakes becomes a constructive cycle, allowing AI to evolve and become more useful and reliable over time. Therefore, understanding that failures are not just disasters, but opportunities for improvement is essential to make the most of the capabilities of artificial intelligence. Collaboration between humans and AI is a vital aspect of maximizing the potential of this technology. While AI can process large amounts of data quickly and make predictions based on patterns, humans still bring creativity, ethical judgment, and the ability to understand complex contexts to the table. In several sectors, this partnership is already demonstrating positive results. For example, in healthcare settings, doctors use AI systems to analyze patients and suggest diagnoses. The doctor, with his experience and understanding of the human context, can then make the final decision and consider emotional and social factors that the AI may be unaware of. This synergy also manifests itself in sectors like agriculture, where AI analyzes climate and soil data to optimize harvests, while farmers apply their local knowledge and traditional wisdom to planting and harvesting decisions. The importance of this collaboration lies in the ability to combine strength and competence, resulting in innovative solutions that neither side could achieve alone. So the future of AI is not about machines replacing humans, but about how we can work together to create a more efficient and harmonious world. Reflecting on everything that has been discussed, it is clear that artificial intelligence is a powerful tool, but one that must be handled with care. Technology advances rapidly, and as we explore its applications, it is critical that we take a critical look at its challenges and limitations. We need to be aware that AI, no matter how advanced it is, does not replace human intelligence. The decisions we make together with AI must be guided by responsibility and ethics. Therefore, our call to action is for women, especially those over 50, to get involved in this dialogue. As technology evolves, your voices and experiences are essential to shaping a future where AI can be used fairly and inclusively. Educate yourself on the topic, ask questions about the innovations that impact your lives, and visit workshops and courses that explore AI and its implications. It is through knowledge and active participation that we will be able to not only understand, but also influence the journey of artificial intelligence in our society. Together, we can ensure that this powerful technology works towards a better and more equal world. Artificial intelligence is a powerful tool that, if used responsibly and ethically, can transform our society in a positive way, but it is crucial to recognize its limitations and the risks involved in its implementation. What story about artificial intelligence would you like to hear next? We have a lot to discuss about this fascinating technology. What are your main concerns regarding the use of artificial intelligence in our daily lives? Do you believe its benefits outweigh the risks? Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next video, where we will explore more about the innovations and challenges of artificial intelligence.